Welcome to the 540 indoor disc base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the 600x600 spider and the disc base. You will also need a drill gun with a 5mm Allen key bit and thread lock. Firstly, use the drill to remove the screws from both ends of the column. Stand the column upright so the end with the 4 holes is at the top. Grab the spider and identify the different sides. One will have divots and the other will be flat. Place the divot side face up and line up the holes. Apply thread lock to 4 of the screws and place them through the spider holes connecting it to the column. Use the drill to gradually tighten until it is secured in place. Be careful not to drill in too far, as it may affect the integrity of the spider. Next, flip the column over so the spider is face down. Place the base on top of the column, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the base, and tighten with the drill. The 540 disc base range is one of our most popular style bases, as they are a simple yet effective design. They feature adjustable foot glides and come in varying heights, including both a 700 and 730 table and a 1050 dry bar. The finish options include Danube black, Porto white, Prague stainless steel, and Rome brass or copper, allowing them to fit into any dining or office application.